Hi, and welcome, hi.
What is thermochemistry and what is the purpose of thermochemistry? Thermochemistry is a branch of chemistry that study the energy that accompanies physical change or chemical reaction. The main goal of thermochemistry is the establishment of criteria for determining the probability or speediness of the necessary transformation.
Systems in thermochemistry. Various system. Open system. This system can experience energy and material exchange with the environment. Closed system. This system can also experience energy exchange with the environment, not with material exchange. Isolated system cannot experience exchange of energy and matter with the environment.
Temperature effect thermochemistry and why is it important? Temperature affect thermochemistry because enthalpy change in chemical reaction depend on temperature. Increasing temperature can increase the reaction speed and can change the direction of the reaction. This is important in the design of chemical process and understanding energy change.
What is enthalpy? Enthalpy is a rule in thermodynamics that states the amount of internal energy, volume, and head pressure of substance. The SI unit of enthalpy is the joule, but British thermal units and calories are also used. Total enthalpy cannot be measured directly. Formula enthalpy: H equal E plus PV. H equal enthalpy, E equal internal energy, P equal pressure, V equal volume.
Relationship of thermochemistry to environmental problems. Thermochemistry is related to environmental issue because enthalpy change in the combustion of fossil fuels contribute to carbon dioxide emission and global warming. This is an example of how understanding thermochemistry can help us understand the impact of human activities on the environment.
Alright, there are three examples of the application of thermochemistry in everyday life. The first is cooking, transportation, and candle. However, what will be explained is the application of transportation. Alright, the application of thermochemistry in everyday life is very relevant, especially in the context of vehicles. In these 2.5 minutes, I will explain how thermochemicals play an important role in our vehicle. Modern vehicles, such as cars, use internal combustion engines to produce mechanical power needed to move the wheels. This process is based on thermochemical principles, especially in fuel combustion reaction such as gasoline or diesel. Let's discuss some of the main aspects. Number 1. The combustion process. Inside the vehicle engine, fuel is mixed with air and then burned in the combustion chamber. This reaction produces enlarged heat and gases, which push the piston and move other parts parts of the engine. This reaction is a classic example of an exothermic reaction in thermochemistry, where energy is released in the form of heat. Number 2. Energy efficiency. Thermochemistry is also associated with vehicle energy efficiency. Modern machines are designed to achieve better efficiency in converting heat into mechanical power. This involves the use of heat produced during the combustion reaction to maximize vehicle performance and reduce fuel consumption. Number 3. Fuel selection. The selection of types of fuel is also a thermochemical aspect in everyday life. Various types of fuel have different combustion enthalpy, which affect the amount of energy produced during the combustion reaction. For example, gasoline and diesel have different thermochemical characteristics. Number 4. Exhaust gas emissions. The application of thermochemistry in the vehicle is also related to the reduction of exhaust emissions. Efforts to reduce air pollution involve a deep understanding of the chemical reactions that occur during fuel combustion. Vehicle technology such as a catalyst is used to control this reaction. With this thermochemical understanding, engineers can design more efficient, environmentally friendly, and economical machines for users. Overall, the application of thermochemistry in a vehicle is a clear example of how this science plays a role in our daily lives, helping us optimize transportation and reduce environmental impact.